on the intention of the central government to implement the Uniform Civil Code across the country, the United Democratic Party (UDP) had organized a debate competition for college students on the particular code. The working president of the party and also MDC and Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh had attended the program in the presence of other party members and workers. While speaking to reporters, Paul Lyngdoh, as a representative of the 3 autonomous district councils in the state of Meghalaya, informed that the UDP has prepared a memorandum to be submitted to the Law Commission to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code across the state. He added that the party has decided to unitedly oppose the central government's proposal on the UCC, though there may exist differences amongst communities across India.
Yet to reach that state, but as a party, the UDP is already organizing an inter-college debate on the UCC. We stand firmly by our commitment that unity in diversity as a fundamental belief of Indians should stand and reign supreme. Unity in diversity. The implication is very clear. We are diverse and united.